In this video, I'm introducing you to 30-60-90 ratio triangles and the 45-45-90 triangle ratios. And what that is if you have a 30-60-90 triangle and this side is x, the side opposite of 30-degree angle, then the side opposite of the right angle is going to be 2x, and opposite 60-degree angle is going to be root 3x. So what that means is if x is 10, then the hypotenuse is 20. And this side opposite 60 degrees is 10 root 3. And for this triangle, the 45-45-90 degree triangle, if the hypotenuse is x, then these two sides are always root 2x. So if it's 10, or if x is 10, then these two sides are always 10 root 2. And let me prove why. So let me draw better. Let me draw a 30, 60, 90 triangle. I'm going to label this X, and I'm going to draw another 30, 60, 90 triangle. And this is going to be X. And since this is 30 and 30 plus 30 is 60, this side is 60, this angle is 60. Which means this side is X also. Now what I want to do is prove that this right here and this right here is X divided by 2. So the way I'm going to do that is, these angles are right angles. This side is equal to itself by the reflexive property, and these two angles are equal. So by the angle side angle congruency postulate, these two triangles are congruent, and the two corresponding sides are equal, which makes them x divided by 2. So this is x divided by 2. So we have x squared by the Pythagorean theorem is equal to, I'm going to call this side a squared plus x divided by 2 squared. And let's simplify. A squared is equal to x squared is equal to a squared plus x squared over 4. Let's rearrange this a little bit. Get negative a squared is equal to negative x squared plus x squared over 4. Let's bring this over here. Negative a squared is equal to negative 4x squared over 4 plus x squared divided by 4. Negative a squared, oh yeah, you can see that. Negative a squared is equal to negative 4x squared divided by 4 plus x squared divided by 4. Negative a squared is equal to negative 4x squared plus x squared divided by 4. Negative a squared is equal to negative 3x squared divided by 4. Now, divide both sides by negative 1. We have a squared is equal to 3x squared divided by 4. Square root both sides, positive square root. And we have a is equal to the square root of 3x divided by 2. So let's bring that over here. Square root of 3x divided by 2. And we could multiply each side by 2 to get 2x root 3x and x. And that's 30-60-90 ratios. Now let's go on to the 45-45-90 ratio triangle. So we have, I could draw better than that. We have 45-45-90 degree ratios. And this is an isosceles triangle. If the two base angles are equal, then these two sides are equal. So this is x, this is x. Now all we have to do is use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. So x squared plus x squared is equal to a squared. I'm going to call this a. 2x squared is equal to a squared. Square root both sides. Positive square root. And we get root 2x is equal to a. And you can use these ratios to solve any problems. Let's move on.